What's up guys, my name is Lucas05. So today, we need something different. It's called Pepsi and Burp Challenge number 2. So last time the Burping Challenge we did, I drank all the Pepsi cans, 2 cups in a row, and then I burp it. Okay? So I'm gonna do it myself. What should we do? Drink the stuff. Okay, cheers everybody. This is getting interesting. Challenge video. Be careful now. Too much and sneezing, I want to die. That was painful. Try it one more time. And then sneezing stop. Cheers everybody. Okay, counting to perfect. 1, 2, 3. Drinking this time a real one. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. Oh, I forgot the camera.
I got coffee, baby.
This is interesting challenge for me. I had to clean it so badly. Chocolate water in the sink, okay? This is interesting challenge for me. And so with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you to the next video. Goodbye.